Khubor nakaslem jong Nongthoh Hima.
Kumshi banta ban pen sapriang pajba e jing snio ba pher ki bakta ya ke imlang ka salang bakun thop na du udrak ka jing sho shilok badru khamtam banwan ra ya ka jing tali apreng ki khon samla jong ka than ri bhoi ka office jong deputy commissioner lamber ka office jong superintendent of police la shai ka sngi ka khandai tere unailar kin sapul long ya ka jing khon Paralok hamadan ye le kai jong ka NSCA ha pams am na do ka por live je janmiet Nakaliang jo DC ber ka kunhon officer jong ki pulit ka Bhoi kini Ïakhun Pyrshah ka kunhon jong Nongthoh Khubor bar kani kalampong kalong ru kumshi banta ban rakhi ka jingyo ka Bhoi district ha ka kardan ka balai na preng ki shispa khat santri ki aspirational district hapo ka ri na ka banta jong banai naitung bantau snem Nakaliang jong DC ka Bhoi arpet upadhaya lembar USP Giri Prasad ki bo ka jingkentu ye ki pajba ka than Bhoi banwan sakhi ya ka te ka jinge le kai Phutbol ka ba nakaliang DC USP lembar ki he officer ka tanat pulet kini shem bentalang Pyrshah ka kunhon gi Nongthoh Khubor ka Bhoi.
I'm very happy to announce that Office of the Superintendent of Police Bhoi District along with the Office of the Deputy Commissioner Bhoi District is organizing a friendly football match with the fourth pillar of democracy, that is the media, in which the Bhoi media team will participate and we'll have a friendly match. And this main reason we are organizing this match is that media being a very important organ, our district administration as well as the police, we look forward to work with them against all the anti-social elements and social ills prevailing in the society. And the joint team will also take a pledge against drugs, POXO Act and other social ills in the Pamsiam ground on 9th September at 3 o'clock. I appeal to the people of Bhoi to kindly join us in the friendly football match so that it will be an awareness as well as a drive against all these types of ills. And we look forward to work with media further and hope this match will go a long way ahead in spreading awareness among the public. Thank you.
It gives me very profound pleasure to announce that we are going to have a friendly football match with the team of District Administration Bhoi and the media team at Paham Singh Stadium in Nongthoh. So the idea behind this friendly match is to create a lot of awareness regarding the social ills, issues like domestic violence, the drug abuse, and to bring together the youth and the people of Bhoi to fight this menace that we are having in our society. And again, at a time that in the last month itself, Bhoi being an aspirational district, we have secured Delta rank 3rd at the all India level. So I think this is the best time to have this kind of a meeting and this kind of a friendly match so that we can commemorate this thing and we can provide due support to the media and acknowledge the fact that the important role that they play in taking the message to the people and creating social awareness and being a partner in the development of the whole district. Thank you so much, and I appeal all of you, please come in large numbers and be a part of this program to make it a grand success.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To us, the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.